Hey guys, I have the same problem on my system. What you have to do, I will be doing in front of you to fix this issue. So in the first step, just go to search bar and type your control panel and then simply click on it. Then go to network and internet. Before that, you need to set view by as category. Then click on network and internet. Then select network and sharing center and click on change adapter settings. Once we are here, we need to right click on the internet connection, select properties, then select IPv4 and click on properties. Then we need to check this option, use the following DNS server address and enter the address here 8.8.8.8 and press tab button 8.8.4.4. then click on OK and close all windows one by one. In the next step, we need to right click on the taskbar, select task manager, then click on run new task, and then here click on browse button. On this window, select this PC, then open C drive, then we need to open Windows folder and find out system32 folder. Double click on it to open it, and here we need to find out CMD file. So just scroll down until we get this CMD file, select it, click on open and check this box, that is create this task with administrative privileges, and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. In the first command, type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Once done, type in ipconfig space /release and hit enter. Then type ipconfig space /renew and hit enter. Wait for some time to complete this process. Once done, in the last, type in netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Now before the restart the system, we have to just type exit this window and type exit to close this window, and then go to control panel, click on program, then right click on Java, just you need to open it, then go to update tab and select update now. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection. Close this window and just restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You are good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe.